Xin chào. Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make hand-battered fried shrimp. It is so easy to make, but it's always turn out great. I think this would be a great appetizer to add to your holiday party menu. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. I hope you enjoy my video and like the recipe.
Start by washing the shrimp. First, remove the black vein if present. I bought this shrimp with the black vein already removed. Then remove shells, but leave the tail shell on. Cut off the tail edge. Now, make a few incisions on the underside of the shrimp. Turn it over and lightly break the incisions and press it straight. Give it a light touch. If you do it too hard, the shrimp will come apart. This is a technique I like to use to make the shrimp easy to batter and fry and easy to eat too. It's very popular in Japan but not very common in the United States. Okay, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Using a strainer, you sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of flour over them. Turn the shrimp over. Again, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and flour. Dust the shrimp well and shake off the excess. Now we prepare the egg mixture. Beat 1 egg with half cup all-purpose flour and add half cup cold water. You can use a light beer instead of water if you want. Mix well until the flour is nicely dissolved. Put in a few ice cubes in the batter helps to keep it cold. Now take a shrimp and dip it in the batter. Let the excess batter drift off, then put it in the panko. Lightly press while moving it around to make sure the panko completely covers the shrimp. Fill a fry pan with oil and turn on the oven range. Using a chopstick. If you appear around a chopstick like this means the oil is hot enough to fry. Transfer the shrimp into the oil. Fry until golden brown on one side and flip to the other side and fry until golden. The shrimp cook very quickly, roughly about 1 or 2 minutes each side, so be careful not to overcook them. Now you have nice golden deep fried shrimp and ready to serve. Yum!